There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo Science Show.
Hey guys, welcome to Allie and CoCo Science Show. I'm Allie, that is CoCo. Oh, you got a treat? She got her treat? I do too. I got candy corn. I told you guys I loved it. So, I guess me and Colette are going to bake some snickerdoodle cookies. I had to bake them anyway, so I thought, why not throw in some cool fun science facts while I make cookies? So the website that I got this from is called Pretty Simple Sweet, and I've never used it before, but I'm excited because it has a substitution for cream of tartar. I never have cream of tartar, by the way. So instead of cream of tartar, I'm gonna be using baking powder. Now here's what's important. When you're making recipes with cream of tartar in it, it makes the cookies or the cake or whatever, it have a tangy taste, and it, with the baking soda, creates carbon dioxide, which fluffs it up. Because I don't have cream of tartar, I will not be using baking soda. I will only be using baking powder. I'll be substituting both with the baking powder. Cream of tartar is cool because it's from the residue of wine production. So I think that's interesting that people created a new way to use something. So let's get on to the cooking. So here's what you guys are gonna need for these snickerdoodle cookies. Again, the recipe is down below if you need that. 2 3/4 cup of this all-purpose flour. I'm not using cream of tartar, so I'll be using 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So this looks like coffee. It's actually my sugar. Bulk section, guys. You're gonna need 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 sticks of butter, half a teaspoon of this, salt, that's salt by the way, and a teaspoon of this. This is vanilla extract, one of my favorites. You know, you guys know, you know. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love you so much, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a moment, isn't it? I love your new bandana. What is that? Star Wars? Did mommy get that at Joann's Fabric? Is that you? Okay. Oh, you didn't even eat cookies yet. My goodness. Wow. Safety first. Aww. The first step is to mix your flour, your baking powder, or baking soda, cream of tartar mix, and your salt. We're gonna mix these 3 dry ingredients in. Go! Okay guys, so they're all in there, I promise. Now I don't have an electric mixer, but that's okay, you don't need one. I'm gonna add my 2 eggs, my 2 sticks of butter, and my white granulated sugar in this mix. Here's a tip, guys. Make sure your butter is softened, or else it's gonna be really hard to mix it whether you have an electric mixer or not. Soften your butter beforehand. Colette! There's butter on my hands, and I'm gonna have to hurry wash them. Colette. You're welcome, I guess. I'm gonna just, it's your gross spit. Okay, gotta wash my hands again. Okay guys, so I grew impatient and I was trying to like slowly get that butter to room temperature. Colette was here with me by my side in my time of need and I couldn't take anymore. So I'm completely melting it, which a lot of bakers will be like, oh no, but I'm chilling my dough for a few hours. So it shouldn't make my cookies super runny. I've made cookies where I was supposed to even use chilled butter and I just threw it in, melted, and everyone said they were the best cookies ever. You baby. That's a lot of butter. It's a lot of butter. Oh, yes. And just throw everything together. To be honest, like you should put the flour mixture in slowly, but you know what? Here at Allie and CoCo Science Show, We kind of do things a little different, don't we? I mean, we got a dog in an apron. I'm cooking in a lab coat. You're gonna love these cookies, even though you're not gonna be here to eat them. And make sure you throw that vanilla in. One of my favorite cooking ingredients. The other would be almond extract. Now, the cool thing about vanilla is it's actually an orchid. A lot of people don't know what the plants that they're eating are actually from. Sometimes you'll see the flower drawn on like some vanilla products. I love vanilla. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to overmix the cookies. It's just something I like to live by. Oh, also safety measures if you're hopping off of a tall chair while helping bake, make sure you take your apron off. Okay, go ahead. You can come down. Oh, I know what she wants. She wants butter, to be honest. Remember that time? Remember that, Colette? Do you remember last time you were helping me bake? No? Well, you licked inside our sugar bowl.
It actually takes
bitterness
out of your baked goods.
Do you remember? Put your cookie dough, as is, into the fridge for about 2 hours. I'm gonna do a little extra because my oven has been having issues and it makes really flat cookies. So, yeah. And while you're waiting for the cookies to cool, you know, have a dance party with your dog. Entertain them, have treats and gossip. Haha, Colette, that was so good. You may want to also check that cookie dough. You want to check it periodically and sample. And if you need to catch up on some Gossip Girl, go ahead, watch some Netflix. And then you just need to wonder, what are you doing with your life? Sample your dough one more time and, you know, checks out, tastes good. So it's time to get going. Set your oven at 375. I'm putting mine a little warmer because my oven is weird. All here, we're ready to finish the baking experience. So what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna put a 1/4 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon in a small bowl, and we're gonna roll our cookies in it. You're going to roll it in a small ball. Try not to overheat it by rolling it too much. Take your cinnamon sugar, roll your dough in there, and there we go. Cinnamon is in the family Lauraceae, and that's the laurel, so it includes bay leaves and avocados. So if you've seen an avocado, you've seen a relative of cinnamon. Now, I like both of those things, but cinnamon is in the genus Cinnamum. It comes from, I think, 6 or 7 species of cinnamon, of trees, and it's the dried out, crumbled pieces of bark that we put into our food. So when we're eating stuff with cinnamon, we're eating bark. Not you, sweetie. Cinnamon's cool. I love learning about plants and their uses and how things have changed over time. Cinnamon was a huge important spice. Dating back to 2000 BC, the ancient Egyptians would use cinnamon for embalming mummies. It also was very prized, so it was a gift for monarchs, for a deity. So they found cinnamon gifts in ancient Greek temples, which is really cool. And why does it taste and smell? You know, you smell cinnamon, you know it's cinnamon. And the reason for that is this cinnamaldehyde. It's a compound found in the bark, mostly in the bark, but also in the leaf. When it mixes with oxygen, it makes that kind of cinnamon color and gives it that characteristic smell and taste. Oh, it smelled so good, I wanted to eat that raw. A lot of these compounds are used as a plant defense mechanism or to attract certain species to eat their fruit or pollinate their plants. We've just evolved to really, really like the smell of cinnamon. Colette does not like the smell of cinnamon, but the cinnamaldehyde, we've learned to really, really like it. And maybe because we like it so much and we grow cinnamon more, the plant does better too. So it could be kind of like you help me, I help you situation. So now I'm throwing in my cookie dough and my 2 pans I'm gonna use into the freezer for like 5 minutes. Look at her. I love her. Oh, that's fuzzy. So we've got our 2 sheets going in here. for about 8 minutes. And you should have like light brown on the edge, a little white in the middle, nice and soft in the top. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning this awesome snickerdoodle recipe and about cream of tartar, also about cinnamon. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you like my little kind of baking, fun in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want more. Comment down below if you want me to try new recipes, or if you're like, hey, what's the science behind cake? Whatever you want, let me know down below, and I will make a video if I can find some science angle to it. And or thumbs up if you like cute puppies. Here she is. And for the question of the week, I want to know, what is your favorite cookie? Chloe, what's your favorite cookie? Yeah, she doesn't like peanut butter, she doesn't like banana, but she loves pumpkin. That's why she's my little PSL. My favorite cookie are... I love a lot of cookies. I don't really like store-bought cookies. I like homemade cookies. So I'm gonna say, ooh, oatmeal raisin chocolate chip, or oatmeal chocolate chip. So go ahead, comment down below, what's your favorite type of cookie? Don't forget the recipe and any other links to like science related things to this video will be down in the description below. And all of our links are also down there for our social media. I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you have a super awesome day. Thank you. Hey guys, I didn't give you a cookie update clip once. It's so bad. I had one of these last night. Best snickerdoodle cookie I have ever had in my life. It's so... That's your reflection. Oh my goodness. That's your reflection, silly. I'm not gonna eat one now. I'm gonna eat one later tonight, but look at that. Oh. Best snickerdoodle ever. Anyway, highly recommend this recipe. Feel free to add baking powder instead of the cream of tartar and the baking soda. But remember, you need at least one of those combinations to get the cookies nice and fluffy like this, to get that carbon dioxide in there. If you want more information on that, just watch the Magic School Bus episode where they get baked into a pie. Anyway, enjoy the recipe, enjoy the science. She's staring at her own. Oh my god, my cookie. No, Colette. Okay, well I gotta go. Bye!